2014 Chevy Spark, valve body coming out. These CVTs are known for having issues. So what we did was make a diagram, took a picture, and this right here is for the bolts. Just made some identification marks on there just so we can kind of orientate that to underneath the vehicle when you put it back. So once you have this going under, I have all the bolts removed, and what I did was I kind of did it in half. I did 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way through 14 on one side, and there's 32 total bolts. So I kind of took the other side off in sequence, put them all in the little board. This little pump right here, you can just pop off, and the one side's going to stay on there. You'll see that side leads all the way up, and it's connected above the valve body. So just gently kind of reach right here, wiggle it back and forth as you apply a little bit of pressure down. It'll pop right off. You can get that out of your way. I still have one bolt on there. That's what's holding the valve body in. But first we need to disconnect the valve body from the top. So I like using these tools, one or the other, either one, whichever is your preference. But they can get off almost any connector, so I would invest in those. And if you look up here, top left corner, you're going to see this connector that's still in there. So I have the one bolt on the bottom holding it up. And then once you get this connector out, you can take that bolt out and lower it down. So right here, this connector, you'll pull that little tab backwards and you'll see it lifted up a little bit. And then once you do that, just put your hook in the space, pop it down, and you're good to go. Now on the bottom, we're going to grab that bolt. It's 14 millimeter, I believe, and just spin that bolt off as you brace the valve body, because the bolt's going to be the only thing holding it up there. So slowly spin that down, and at that point you can lower the valve body and take it out of the car. Remember, it's going to drip, so keep your oil pan down there, kind of let it drip into the oil pan, and you set. Get it.